Also, we have a train here at Ariga. If this truck can move.
What?
Pull over.
Where?
And I can.
In here?
Yeah. Right here. What town is this considered, Belleville?
No, this is considered,
Romulus?
yes. This would be considered Romulus.
We are here at Eureka Road, folks.
And beautiful Romulus.
In Daddy's car this time, because I don't want to get out. This is actually trespassing. But we're just here to...
Not trespassing.
But we're just here to... We're just here to...
Oh, Caleb.
To film the train.
Yes.
You know, some areas you can be trespassing.
Yes, some areas you can be. Especially if you get too close to the tracks, right?
This is the World Tech
Industrial Park.
Industries. Oh boy, there's a mail carrier vehicle behind us.
Where's that train going? To California?
No.
Toledo?
It could. These train tracks do go there. This is CSX.
Right.
Do not block driveway, and I think we are.
We're not, because that post office truck got by.
Comes a truck. We better move now. Now that he ended. We'll get back on the freeway from Sibley Bibley, okay? Daddy?
Okay.
So I hope you enjoyed that video, folks. And that's it.